Okay, alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be my first video, so yeah, feel free to comment and say what's going on and how I can improve for you, but because I want to make a better content for you. Today I want to talk about my personal experience with these devices. With snow chains I bought a few weeks ago before going to ski resort, and so I got them before, and I want to practice in normal weather condition to make sure I wear them correctly and get them on my wheels fast. And my family will not wait a long time sitting in the car and on the road. So I go to talk about snow chains for my Tesla, and this is yeah, I just know how to use just for this model. I'm sure that any other models also have the same procedures, but yeah, just read the instructions for your specific model and make sure you get the snow chains fit well for your wheel size, for your car. So let's get started. And you see, there's some rain outside, but it's not stopping me to make a video for you guys. And so let me get my gloves and let's start. Before getting wheels on your car, especially on Tesla, I will talk about this particular model of wheel chain and Tesla Model Y. So it's better to take out these plastic things because you don't want them to be scratched. So this. And you have two of them. They are absolutely identical. So you can choose any part to get on the wheel. First of all, you need to open this lock and put it on the ground. So your lock will be in the front part of the car. Lay horizontally like this, so there will be no knots, it will be absolutely flat. So you will be able to catch it from outside. Size in my hands, I put it up here and secure. Next step, we need to secure this lock. Make sure that this chain go in the center of the wheel. And the last part, almost last part, have this secure here and pull this to make sure it's firmly on the wheel. So that's the process. So you get your chains on the wheel, and that's it. Thanks for attention, and yeah, subscribe, comment. Yeah, let me know if you have more efficient way to do that. Yeah, I appreciate your feedback. Thank you.